This is the question we want to do. Before we get into it, may you please subscribe, follow, like, share and comment. Thank you. Mvunzo wedu uri kuti if A is equal to 3124 and B is equal to 20-13, show that AB is not equal to BA. So there's something we have to learn here. Very important. Introducing the first lesson pama matrix, I showed you kuti A plus A plus A is equal to 3A. Zvichiratidza the relationship between addition and multiplication, the relationship which does exist in algebra and in number theory. But patava panapa manje, pane ukoshwa uripo. Kuti AB is equal to BA, and this is very important. AB is not equal to BA, even though kana tiri kuma number, tikati 2 times 3, we see kuti zviri equal to 3 times 2. Kana ava ma matrix, A, B is equal to BA. That's very important. And the reason is, patinotora a row from the first matrix, which is A, and take a column from the second matrix, which is B, there will be a fundamental difference. Kana takutsvaka BA. But is there a relationship between AB and BA? That is what we will have to discover through answering this question. So dearly beloved, let us look at this and determine. Of course, pakuanza kwedu chatanga nekuti consider AB. Tatanga ta multiply AB. Then we know kuti A the 3124 and B the 20-13. Todotanga taita determine kana tichikwanisa kutozvimultiplya in the first place. Tati kudini? Tati ku matrix yatinotora row. Tati ku first matrix tinoverenga kuti ma columns mangani. Ma columns i1, 2. Then toenda ku second matrix toverenga kuti ma rows mangani. Ma rows i1, 2. Kana zvakangofanana chete, then everything is okay. You understand? Saka we can multiply them. Then knowing that we can multiply them, we also have to do an exercise of determining how our answer is going to appear, the order of the product. But panapa zvinetse because that's a square matrix. It's a 2 by 2 multiplying another 2 by 2. So when we separate zviri panapa, our answer should be a 2 by 2. And something you should have noticed is, patinocheka zviri pakati, manumbers aya anenge akafanana all the time. All the time. I wish I can demonstrate this. Tikauya panapa, patacheka zviri pakati, number iri panapa ndi 2, number iri apa ndi 2. So ndo zvandikusamataura kuti anenge akafanana all the time. Patauya futi panapa, patacheka zviri pakati, apa pana 2, apa pana 2. You see what I mean? So that is fundamentally important. Saka let us do our multiplications. So we know kuti we take a row panapa, it multiplies a column. So inotanga multiply this column, use multiply futi that column, tozotora futi this row yeta the same. So let us do it bit by bit. This is equal to tinoti 3 times 2 twadati plus 2 times 0. So 3 times 2 plus 2 times 0. Tovatati futi 3 times minus 1 plus 2 times 3. 3 times minus 1 plus 2 times 3. Tozoti 1 times 2 plus 4 times 0. Tozopesera tichiti 1 times minus 1 plus 4 times 3. Like that. So what is that equal to? tikati 3 times 2 ndi 6 and then panapa something you should know kuti you are allowed kuita step by step. It's not by law kuti munofangwa ku simplify ka1. Alright, panapa tinogona kuti 3 times 2 ndi 6, then tototi plus 2 times 0 ndi 0, 1 times 2 ndi 2 plus 4 times 0 ndi 0, 3 times minus 1 ndi minus 3 plus 2 times 3 ndi 6, 1 times minus 1 ndi minus 1 plus 4 times 3 ndi 12. Then tozonyora our final answer. Panapa ndi 6, apo ndi 2, apo ndi 3, apo ndi 11. That will be our final answer. So this is the answer we are getting. Let us consider BA. So takuda ku consider BA. So paku consider BA, B ndiani ndio tutanga kunyora. B ndi 2 minus 1 0 3, then A ndi 3 2 1 4. Let us multiply them tuone kuti tinowanani. Saka it's going to be row by column. Saka inini ndichiri pa this stage O level ndaitoisa ma RY row by column just to remind me what it was saying, because honestly it can be a little confusing, especially tichangotanga. So this is then equal to what? Tichati 2 times 3 toti plus minus 1 times 1, then tozoti 2 times 2 toti plus minus 1 times 4, and then tozoti 0 times 3 toti plus 3 times 1, tozoti zvakare 0 times 2 toti plus 3 times 4, like this. And this is equal to what? 2 times 3 6, minus 1 times 1 minus 1, up it's 0 plus 3, panapa it's 4, then up and get minus 4, then plus na minus, so it's 4 minus 4 actually, and up it's 0 plus 4, it's 12. What is then going to be our answer? Upon the 5, upon the 3, upon the 0, upon the 12. Comparing our answers, akatosiyana completely. There is actually no notable similarity between my answers edu, save with my answers edu are all going to be 2 by 2. Dochega chakafanana. So you should know kuti even though my numbers multiplication, my numbers or terms multiplying are interchangeable, as can attack my matrix, order is very important. So to seal up this question, what we have learned here is order is sacrosanct. Sacrosanct is a fancy way of saying very important. So this is our question. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Use the comments or send directly on my numbers.